welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and happy Pride Month to all of you. In today's video, I'm going to show you rainbow eye makeup look. So this video is dedicated to all Pride members. I did this kind of makeup look about a year ago, but this time I will do a little different kind of makeup look. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. First of all, I am using Good Vibes Lavender Face Mist to hydrate my skin. Next, I am using Nykaa cold pressed oil and I am taking just 3 to 4 drops on my face. Alright, for my eyeshadow, I am using Beauty Glazed Colorboard eyeshadow palette. And today I am using the tissue paper to apply my eyeshadows because this is a new trend, so I just try out. So first I am taking the yellow shade. Next I am taking this orangey shade. Next, this pink one. Next, purple one. And lastly, blue one. I am using Hip Hop cleanser and clean my eyeshadow fallouts. Next, for my primer, I am using Wet n Wild matte finish primer. Next, I am using Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Latte. Next, I am using Illegal Pro Yellow Concealer. Now I am using Huda Beauty Bake Loose Powder in the shade Cupcake. Next I am using Sugar Cosmetics Blusher in the shade Peach Peak. Next I am using Nykaa Highlighter Duo and taking this bronzy shade for my bronzer. Next, for my highlighter, I am pick this champagne shade. Now I'm going to my bottom lash line, exactly what I have on the top eyelid. So I'm going to use a yellow, orange, pink, purple and blue shade underneath of my eye. Now I am just going to applying a white pencil on my bottom waterline, and this is from LA Color Jumbo Pencil. Now I am going to take a highlighting shade and I am going to put this on my inner corner. Next I am going to apply false lashes for my lips. Today I am going to use Me Now lip liner in the shade Sweet Pink. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. And if you like this look, then let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So I will be back in my next video very soon, guys. Take care and love you. Bye bye.